fun. This book was written and designed by Colleen S. Grant. Here we have a capital A, a small a picture of an apple, the word apple, and the letter A makes the sound A. So we'll read this page. A, apple, A, A, A. Here's a capital B, a small b, a picture of a bicycle. Here's the word bicycle. The letter B makes the sound B. So we'll read this page. B, bicycle, B, B, B. Here we have a capital C, a small c, a picture of a cat, the word cat. The letter C makes the sound K. So we'll read this page. C, cat, K, K, K. We have a capital D, a small d, a picture of a dog. Here's the word dog. The letter D makes the sound D. So we'll read this page. D, dog, D, D, D. Here we have the capital E, the small e, a picture of an elephant. Here's the word elephant. The letter E makes the sound A. So we'll read this page. E, elephant, A, A, A. Here is a capital F, a small f, a picture of a fish. Here's the word fish. The letter F makes the sound F. So we'll read this page. F, fish, Here is a capital G, a small g, a picture of a goat. Here's the word goat. The letter G makes the sound G. So we'll read this page. G, goat, G, G, G. Here's a capital H, a small h, a picture of a hat, the word hat. The letter H makes the sound H. So we'll read this page. H, hat, H, H, H. Here is a capital I, a small I, a picture of an igloo, the word igloo. The letter I makes the sound I. So we'll read this page. I, igloo, I. Here we have a capital J, a small j, a picture of a jar, the word jar. The letter J makes the sound J. So we'll read this page. J, jar, J, J, J. Here we have a capital K, a small k, a picture of a kite, the word kite. The letter K makes the sound K. So we'll read this page. K, kite, K, K, K. Here we have a capital letter L, a small letter L, a picture of a ladybug. Here's the word ladybug. The letter L makes the sound L. So we'll read this page. L, ladybug, L, L, L. Here's a capital M, a small m, a picture of a moose, the word moose. The letter M makes the sound M. So we'll read this page. M, moose, M, M, capital N, a small n, a picture of a nest. Here's the word nest. The letter N makes the sound N. So we'll read this page. N, nest, N, N, N. Here we have the capital O, the small o, a picture of an octopus, the word octopus. The letter O makes the sound ah. So we'll read this page. O, octopus, ah, ah, ah. Here we have a capital P, a small p, a picture of a pig, the word pig. The letter P makes the sound P. So we'll read this page. P, pig, P, P, P. Here we have the capital Q, the small letter q, a picture of a quilt, the word quilt. The letter Q makes the sound qu. So we'll read this page. Q, quilt, qu, qu, qu. Here we have the capital letter R, the small letter r, a picture of a rabbit. Here's the word rabbit. The letter R makes the sound R. So we'll read this page. R, rabbit, R. Here we have the capital letter S, the small letter s, a picture of a snake, the word snake. The letter S makes the sound S. So we'll read this page. S, snake. Here we have the capital T, the small letter t, a picture of a turtle, the word turtle. The letter T makes the sound T. So we'll read this page. T, turtle, T, T, T. Here we have the capital letter U, the small letter u, a picture of an umbrella, the word umbrella. The letter U makes the sound So we'll read this page. U, umbrella, uh. Here's the capital letter V, the small letter v, a picture of a violet. Here's the word violet. The letter V makes the sound V. So we'll read this page. V, violet, v. Here's the capital letter W, the small letter w, a picture of a wagon, the word wagon. The letter W makes the sound W. So we'll read this page. W, wagon, w. Here's the capital letter X, the small letter x, a picture of an X-ray. Here's the word X-ray. The letter X makes the sound X. So we'll read this page. X, X-ray, Here's the capital letter Y, the small letter y, a picture of a yo-yo. Here's the word yo-yo. The letter Y makes the sound ya. So we'll read this page. Y, yo-yo, ya. Here's the capital letter Z, the small letter z, a picture of a zebra. Here's the word zebra. The letter Z makes the sound Z. So we're going to read this page. Z, zebra, z. Brought to you by lovingtolearn.com, where our mission is for all children to reach their full potential.